Today we will be working the verb صامت, to be silent, in the imperative form or الأمر. You need to learn the imperative form or الأمر because you will need it when you want to give orders, to command, to give warnings, to advise, suggest, request, or to give instructions. Let's begin with a few examples. اصمتي عندما يتكلم والدك. Be silent when your father is talking. اصمت وفكر. Be silent and think. اصمتا نحن في المكتبة. Be silent. We are in the library. اصمتوا نحن في المستشفى. Be silent. We are in the hospital. اصمتنا نحن في المسجد. Be silent. We are in the mosque. As you noticed in the imperative form, the first letter root of the verb carries sukoon instead of fatha. صامت, اصمتي, اصمت. And the second letter root carries dhamma instead of the fatha. صامت, اصمتي, اصمت, اصمتا. As you notice in the imperative form, the verb generally carries suffixes at its end. اصمتي, اصمتا, اصمتوا, and اصمتنا. Those verbs have the same translation in English, be silent, but these suffixes in the Arabic language gives information about the gender and number of the subject. اصمتي, the ya indicates singular feminine. اصمتا, the alif is for dual. اصمتوا, the u is for masculine plural. And اصمتنا, the na is for feminine plural. As you notice, the imperative verb carries all the time an alif at its beginning. The alif carries dhamma because the second letter root also carries dhamma. اصمتي, u, اصمت, اصمتا. So the alif of the imperative carries dhamma, when the second letter root carries dhamma as well. اصمت, be quiet. اخرج, go outside. اكنس, sweep. But if the second letter root carries a fatha or kasra, then the alif should carry kasra as well. Here are some examples. العب, play. اقرأ, read. البس, wear. اغسل, wash.